This was once a $500 million factory that powered America's industrial peak. Today, it stands completely abandoned. But the real story isn't what it built. It's how something this powerful was allowed to disappear. This place once built some of the most luxurious cars in America. And powered engines that helped win World War II. Today, it is worth less than a luxury apartment. How does a $500 million industrial empire become a ghost? This is the Packard Automotive Plant in Detroit, USA. Once the most advanced automobile factory in the world. Now, it's completely silent. At its peak, over 40,000 people worked here.
But parts of it don't have to stay like this. The Packard brand was America's answer to Rolls-Royce. So what went wrong? Between the 1920s and 1940s, this wasn't just a factory. It was a system powered by tens of thousands of people. Over 1.6 million vehicles were produced right here. These weren't just cars, they were symbols of status. And during World War II, this factory shifted its purpose. Engines built here, powered aircraft in one of the most important wars in history. And yet, something started to change. But everything changed in 1954. A merger with Studebaker marked the beginning of the end. Costs increased, sales dropped, and the system began to break. By 1956, the last Packard ever built rolled out of this factory. And then people left. Everything stopped. And what followed was decades of abandonment. This wasn't just a factory failure, it was a system failure. Luxury couldn't survive in a world built for mass production. Costs increased while revenue couldn't keep up. The system stopped moving, even before the factory did. And the merger with Studebaker created pressure the company could never recover from.
After closure, the factory slowly became one of the largest abandoned industrial sites in the world. For decades, nature slowly reclaimed what industry left behind.
Man, they took everything. Yeah, even the copper.
What was once America's industrial pride became a global symbol of urban decay. Year after year, the structure itself began to fail.
This place used to feed families. Now look at it.
For many people, this place became the symbol of Detroit's industrial collapse.
Current bid, $405,000.
For all of that?
That's the current high bid.
Sold for just $405,000.
The real question isn't whether this place died, it's whether we were too early to save it.
You know where this stuff used to happen? Packard. Exactly. Feels different in here now.
Yeah, like somebody finally came back.
You know, this place still has potential.
10 years ago, nobody wanted this place.
Now industrial land like this is rare.
Watch that beam! Clear, bring it down!
If this column fails,
And the whole section goes.
Easy, easy! That's it. Seal that section. We're closing the building.
Clear the bay doors now.
That's it, coming on the left. Careful with that corner. Keep it moving.
Unit 2, clear on the left. Watch the overhead.
My grandfather worked here. Never thought I would, too.
That battery line is stable.
Good. Keep monitoring temperature.
They used to design cars like artwork.
Keep the grill.
That's the identity.
Ultra-luxury EV demand is growing faster than expected.
And heritage brands are outperforming projections.
This finish is perfect. Not just car, a rebirth of legacy. Classic design, powered by modern technology.
Today's world, luxury EV brands are exploding. A revived Packard could compete at the highest level again.
Used to work here? Long time ago.
never thought I'd see lights back on. This place didn't just collapse, it was left behind.
And maybe the real question isn't why it failed. pieces, but why no one rebuilt it. No text, no ending card. Just let the car disappear into the city.